Are you a student and want to verify the authenticity of your work? Detect plagiarism and potentially AI-generated content with Compilatio Studium. Today, I'll guide you step by step through its use. To get started, head to the Studium page. Click on Create your Compilatio Studium account, follow the steps, and confirm your registration by entering your email address. If you don't receive the confirmation email, be sure to check your spam folder. Once logged in, you have access to the Studium toolbox with useful content to help you succeed in your studies and a demonstration document with a preview of an analysis. To analyze a document, click Add Files. Most text formats are accepted. Scanned documents and images are not supported. As a reminder, documents uploaded to Compilatio Studium are confidential. Your teachers do not have access to your assignments uploaded to Compilatio Studium. Your assignments are not sold or made available to advertising services or commercial partners. For the analysis of your first document, Compilatio Studium offers you the first 3 sources detected. Discover them by clicking on the report. Compilatio Studium tells you how many credits you need to run an analysis. Each credit allows you to analyze up to 250 words. Credits are cumulative and remain valid for 6 months, allowing you to review multiple documents as needed. Once the analysis is complete, you'll access your document list with a first look at the results. Let's explore the detailed report together. The summary page. This is where you get an overall overview of suspicious texts. The similarity score shows the percentage of content resembling sources found on the internet. The AI detection score indicates the proportion of text whose style resembles that of content generated by artificial intelligence, and the score for texts between quotes. If the SelfBlur has detected AI, even though you haven't used it, it's possible that your writing style resembles that of an AI. In this case, communicate with your reviewer to prevent misunderstandings. If you have used an AI to translate, rephrase, develop a topic, or anything else, we advise you to mention it and make sure that it corresponds to academic expectations. Points of Interest page. On the Points of Interest page, you can locate detected passages and check the referencing of your sources. The positioning bars indicate the length of suspicious passages. An icon in the margin indicates where the detected passage begins. The Sources of Similarities page. On this page, you ensure that all detected sources are included in your bibliography, along with their URLs. If they are correctly cited, you can ignore them to exclude them from the similarity score. The score is automatically recalculated after each adjustment. Properly cited sources add value to your work and enrich your assignment. Demonstrate your commitment to authentic work. Once the analysis is complete, you can download the report and add it to the end of your assignment. This demonstrates your transparency. Each student can adapt their use of Studium according to their needs and the requirements of their institution. You now have all the keys in hand to check your work and adopt transparent writing with Compilatio Studium.
Este video ha sido presentado por Mi Avatar, realizado con la ayuda de una inteligencia artificial.